How to make your own copyright free music for YouTube with this amazing website. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you guys can actually make high quality music with this particular application for your own YouTube videos, which means that you won't have to look for elsewhere to basically get your copyright free music. So as soon as you guys come onto this particular website, you guys are going to see this particular page. Over here on this particular page of soundraw.io, you guys can see this particular dashboard. So now from over here, you guys can either choose to get started, and then after that you guys can just simply take a look over here. So now from over here, you guys can just simply choose any one of these genres to basically get your music. And also you guys can see some of the biggest brands that are working with this particular website. So to get started, all that you guys need to do is simply click on start for free, and then that's gonna take you guys over to another page. So as soon as you guys click on start for free, that's gonna take you guys over to another page. So I've just tapped on start for free, and now I'm gonna wait for a few seconds, and then eventually I'm gonna be taken over to their sign up page. You guys can also click on the top right to sign up as well if you want to, so I'm gonna also do that as well. And then as soon as I do that, it's gonna ask me for a few information. So they have two paid accounts. The first one is their $16 per month annual plan, and their second one is their $19 per month paid plan. You guys can choose to get started with either one of these, and then as soon as you guys have started, well, then you guys can just simply download music. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at all of their features to basically see if this particular website is actually worth buying or not, and should you guys go with this website or should you go with some other website. So I'm gonna click on create music, and then that's gonna take me over to another page. Now from over here, you guys can just basically start creating your own music. So the process is as simple as it could possibly get. Firstly, you have to choose the mood. So the mood can either be happy, chill, relaxing, exciting, dynamic, sad, or horror. And of course you guys can also choose the video theme as well, which could be anything too, like vlog, BGM, corporate, advertisement, gaming, and so much more. Over here you guys can also choose the genre as well. So let's say you have a video which is more about the story, well then of course you guys would like cinematic music. But if the video is more about a vlog, something actually happening in real time, well then you guys would definitely require some music that is not exactly very cinematic. You guys would like something more electro pop, drum and bass, or punk style music. And of course you guys can also choose the length of the music as well, because all in all that is what really matters, because you don't need music that is like 30 seconds long and your video is like 6 minutes long. So make sure to choose the accurate music as well. So once you've chosen all of this stuff, you guys can also add in a tempo, add in instruments as well, and of course you guys can choose the genre of your video as well. After that, as soon as you guys click on create music, this particular software is going to create the music, and then over here it's going to create the music in about a few minutes. So just give it a few moments, and then eventually your music is going to be ready. So I'm going to play a few beats, and then as soon as I play a few beats, after that we're going to see if the beats are actually good or not. So let's just give it a few moments. So as you guys can see that the music is actually pretty good. So you guys can actually get custom music made from this particular website to be used in your videos. Now this was vlog music. Let me play another track and then I'll show you more features as well. So if I click on play for this track, let's just give it a few moments. So as you guys can see that the music is actually really good. Now let's say that you guys wanted some different music. Well, for that it's pretty easy. Just come back over here, and then from over here you guys can also choose the mood. So let's say I'm sad, I'm gonna click on sad, and then of course I can choose the video theme to be anything else. For example, I want the sad music to be in games, because let's say I'm playing a game in which I kill a lot of zombies, well then of course I'll have to choose the sad music. I'm gonna choose the genre / style over here, which is gonna be suspense. Gonna choose the length to be shorter, because of course if we don't want to be sad for long. Then of course you can also choose the details or the instruments that you would like. So I'm just gonna use synth, and of course the tempo should be normal. I'm gonna click on create music, and then Soundraw.io is gonna create that music for me, and it's gonna deliver that music in just a few seconds. So let's just give it that few seconds, and then hopefully we're gonna have our music, which is gonna turn out to be really good. So I'm gonna click on play now. So as you guys can see that the music was really good. So that is how you guys can actually get started with Soundraw.io. And if you like any particular music, you guys can simply click on this download button, and then of course you'll have to pay that monthly fee, and you will be able to download this particular music for yourself. So the pricing, of course, as I told you before, it is about $16 per month if you guys were to pay for the whole year right now, and it is about $17 per month if you guys were to pay for just 1 month at a time. So yeah guys, that is how they charge. The pricing is pretty good if you ask me, because the amount of music options that you'll get are really good. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye. So if you guys also need a step-by-step instruction, well, for that click on tutorial, and then they also have this very nice tutorial video over here. Now watching this video, they're gonna explain everything as to how you can get started with their tool and how you can use it. So all in all, this is really good, and I think that this is very good of them to actually have this over here, because of course not a lot of people actually put this stuff over here. They just assume that the person who's about to use their software is gonna learn everything by himself all at once. So yeah, definitely give this thing a try, and all in all, this software is very good. And guys, in the end, I would just like to say one more thing, that if you guys found this method helpful, and if you guys think that this method actually works, if you guys feel like this method is the perfect one for you, then be sure to share this method with your friends and family as well, because then all of your loved ones are also gonna be able to make money alongside you. Because what's the fun in making money if you don't have the people you love around you making money as well? So what you need to do is that you need to share this video to your family's WhatsApp group, to your friends' WhatsApp groups, and also to your Instagram DMs as well. So all of those people could also make money, because in the end, if you guys are all making money yourself, well then it's gonna be very fun, and you all are gonna become millionaires together. Now guys, this method also covers all the basics of how you can get started with these softwares or these make money online methods, and honestly, if you follow this step by step, then honestly you won't run into any problem. And again, one last thing, if you guys run into any problem, if you guys feel like you did not understand something, well, you guys can just simply watch this video again once and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, then watch this video again and again till you guys completely understand, because sometimes you might miss this stuff, so it's always better to watch these videos again and again. And similarly, also tell your friends and family as well to watch this video again if they don't understand anything, because they covered everything. So everything that you need to know must be in this video. If you don't get it, well then simply watch this video again and you guys will definitely understand it. Again, in the end, I would just like to give you my well wishes. I hope that this method works for you and you guys are actually able to do what you want to do with these particular methods. Again, it's not gonna take much time, it's only gonna take a few minutes, so definitely give this video a quick rewatch if you don't understand anything. You guys can also check out their FAQ section if you guys want to get answers to some of their frequently asked questions, like for example, what is Soundraw? Why is Soundraw so different? And also you guys can check out their create music FAQ as well, through which you guys can generate music, you guys can also edit your music, you guys can also see what policy they have on downloads, and you guys can also check your account settings over here as well. So all in all, they have everything that you guys need to get started. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time, goodbye and good luck.